Hello, everybody. Welcome to our talk show about youth potential and vision. This is Cecile Linji who is sharing with you what can make your life meaningful. I hope you enjoy my talk. Well, John Mason, a highly regarded international speaker, said, "You were born an original. Don't die a copy." It means you are unique in this world. Do not imitate someone else. The world desperately needs the originality only you can provide. You can ask, how do I know that I am special and unique? Yes, you can find out your original by trying to discover your potential. What is the potential? If you say that someone or something has potential, you mean that they have the necessary abilities or qualities to become successful or useful in the future. So potential is each person's unique ability, hidden, untapped, and is incomparable. Each person has its own unique, incomparable potential. You can explore your potential through your interest. Holland Kotesk is a suggestion for you to find your abilities or through your hobby. What will you do with your potential and ability? This is the next step. You will discover your mission through potential. What is the mission? Yes, mission is the action of sending someone to a place to do a particular job. When you have a mission, it means you are sent. You are given the right tools, potential, to benefit the community larger than yourselves, to make the world better. You should remember that a better world is everyone's business. Now you can look at these pictures to see a world that needs change. Then close your eyes to answer the question. The imperfect, unjust, unfortunate, what are the things you saw that linger longer in your mind? Is imperfect, unjust, unfortunate, what are the things you saw that linger longer in your mind? So, faced with the world that needs change, what do you think that you can do? Very specific, today or tomorrow, within your capabilities to bring change into this world. What do you think that you can do to make the world better? Let's think about that. So, young people, let's change. Don't be an idle young person. Youth is dreams. It is openness to reality. It is discovery and conquest of what is truly valuable in life. It is openness to authentic and intense relationships. It is commitment to with others and for others. That's what Pope Francis said. What are young people going to do with their potential, with their vision of the future, and with their enthusiasm? Young people are called to say we care. We are concerned about what is happening in the world. And here are some suggestions for you to discover your mission through your potential. I like singing and dancing. I will invite friends to collaborate in organizing performances for patients at the hospital, for the elderly at nursing homes, for children at charity schools, shelters. Or I like reading, I will donate books to set up a library for poor children. And now, within just 1 minute, think about your interest. How will you use your interests and talents to serve others? How will you use your interests and talents to serve others? Just think in 1 minute. And now I hope that you have already known what you should do to collaborate in making a better world for all. And I think that you all know the story of an eagle living with chickens. By accident, one eagle ate it, and a beautiful eagle was born in a chicken farm. Being chickens, the chickens praised the eagle to be a chicken. The eagle loved his home and family, but it seems his spirit cried out for more. One day the eagle looked into the skies above and noticed a group of mighty eagles soaring. Oh, the eagle cried, I wish I could soar like the birds. The chickens roared with laughter. You cannot soar like those. You are a chicken, and chickens do not soar. And the eagle believed that it is a chicken, and it died as a chicken. So what is the lesson you can learn from that? You become what you believe you are. If you ever dream to be an eagle, follow your dreams, not the voice of chicken. And I think that with your potential, ability, you are able, and you can make the world better. Thank you for your listening.